Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to mount a 11-inch or smaller tablet in your car for a best entertainment and navigation system. Tablet that I had recently purchased, which is having amazing quality of video and sound, and this is really good. So I will do a separate video on this tab, about this tab and the features and everything, but for now I will show you how to mount this tab in your car, so that while you are in a long drives, you can enjoy the map, a comfortable map system, and as well as the other apps. So to start with, first you need to purchase this strong apps to car tablet mount, so which will cost you around 1200 to 1300 rupees, but it's worth. So I will create a separate video how to assemble this, but once you assemble this, this is very strong tablet mount, so you need to fix it wherever you want in the car, but I prefer to fix it on the glass, so that you will get a good suction power. And you need to identify the place where you can have this stabilizer or the support, I would say, so you can fix that. You see the small two Amazon basics. If you check my channel, I created one video how to mount a tablet with the magnet strips. So currently I'm not using these strips anyway, I'm going to remove them, but for this upgraded version of tab mounting, so I used this apps to car tablet mount. So this is a very good quality, I would say best quality mount. You can see a manual adjuster, so this will help you to hold the tab, and this is the flexible arm which will help you to fit your tablet into it. So like any other mount, you have to fix this with the arm and as well as the holder. Once you identify the place where to fix it, like the center or at the corner, or if you want to fix this at the dashboard, you will get a separate sticker where you have to paste it on the dashboard and connect this suction to the dashboard. So for me, I would say this is the best place, so that it will not interrupt your view as well, and this place is very nearby, and it will also help whoever is sitting at the back side. It will also help them to see the screen, and obviously the person who is sitting next to you will have a very nearby vision, and they can also control. So when it comes to the other part of this setup, I have this tablet, and this tablet is equipped with the face recognition, so whenever I just look at this, it will automatically unlock my tab, and unlike other video that I have created with using the head unit reload app to navigate your Android Auto on your tablet wirelessly, this tab, since it is having Android 13, so the latest version of Android 13 will give you more power in terms of splitting screens and using different apps on the split screen. Back with the Android Auto is that you cannot play anything, and once your tablet is in Android Auto, you cannot split the screen and you cannot play any other apps like YouTube or VLC to watch videos. So that's the reason what I did. I have installed different OTT platforms, apps, and some video players, and I created the split screens. Okay, so that whenever you want, you can just access that split screen shortcut, and you can play them together. So for example, if you click on the shortcut, it will play the map as well as the Wynk music. At the same time, if you want to open the split screen with the map and as well as the uh, YouTube, you can play it. And if you want to play some local video and audio, you can create a split screen with maps and VLC, and you can easily play videos. Okay, so what you just need to do, once you set up your tab as you like, and once you fix this mount, you have to just create a split screen so that you can play both the apps together and you can control those. So I'll quickly show you how to create the split screen if you are not aware. So basically, first you need to open one app. Let's say for example, I opened this maps, and just click on the multitasking window, and just long press, and you need to click the split screen. So you already have this app on the split screen, and any other app you would like to tag along with this the first split screen, you can do that. Or you wanted to see the other apps, so the split screen, whatever the first selection you done, it will be available here. So you can select any other app. So any app which is having the split screen support, you can just select that app so that it will create a split screen, okay, for that app and as well as the first selection app. So whichever the app you would like to have at the left hand side, you need to first pick up that app, and the second app will come on the right side. So I wanted to create a split screen with Hotstar, and but I would like to see Hotstar at the left side, and this is at the right side, the maps at the right side. So what I will do, first I will open the Hotstar app, okay, and then I will go to the floating windows, and I will select the Hotstar app first, okay, and then now I need to pick up the maps. So what I will do, I will pick up the maps from here, so that my maps will come at the my left hand side. If you don't want to repeat the same thing again and again, and you wanted to just save this split screen, so just press the home button and minimize everything, and you will see those split screen option here. So just long press on the split screen and just click on add to home screen, so that you will see the split screen shortcut there. So from next time onwards, whenever you wanted to open that, just click on that, so you will see the split screen. See, I will just quickly toggle between different split screens, and I'll show you. Okay, and also at the same time, if you want to play full size Netflix app or any other app, you can do that. And so the best advantage of having the tablet in your car is you can anytime you can remove that, and you can give it to your child or anybody who is traveling with you, so they can use the tab for whatever they want, and you can use this particular mount for your mobile. So, and you can start doing the navigation on your mobile, just fixing it to the tab. So you can just fix it vertically, and then your phone will fit. And in fact, trust me, so even for phone, this particular mount looks too good, and will give you good support. So guys, so the setup is very simple. You just need a right tablet and a right mount. So don't go with any other option. Don't spend a lot of time on searching for a best tablet mount. So the Apps to Car is one of the best, and great quality and good stability. And even I tested this during my travel, and it will not shake in bumpy roads or any bad roads. But if still you think you need a good support, then you can mount something sides at the sides to give a good support to your tablet. Also, I'm using this beautiful leather pouch. If you don't want to mount along with your leather case, you can remove it so it looks more beautiful. But in my perspective, so even this mount hold the tab without removing the a leather pouch. So this is one of the best advantage of this mount. And if you don't want to keep along with the leather pouch, yeah, obviously you can remove any time and you can just mount the tablet. Okay, so, since I don't want to always multiple times remove this and add, so I always use along with the pouch, because even if you're going somewhere and if you remove the tablet after your travel, you can just simply carry with this pouch. Okay, so I will also quickly show you how the how tablet looks like without the pouch, just for your idea. So this is how it looks, and I really like the quality of this Xiaomi Pad 6. So if you see, so this is how it fits. Yep, here you go. This is too fancy, looks good. Okay, so probably I'll record it separate video how this looks and how sturdy this is during the bad roads. So even you can see that, and whenever you're buying a tablet, just buy a good audio and video quality tablet so that you enjoy and enhance your experience. And by the way, just to add, I have connected my tablet to my phone's hotspot, and also I directly connected my tablet to car Bluetooth. And your car, I'm sure most of the cars, or my car, supports double Bluetooth connection, right? I mean, it can connect to my phone and it can connect to my tablet. So if I get a call on my phone, the screen, if anything playing on the screen, it will automatically pause. And I can also answer my calls using the steering mounted controls. There is no interruption. And it is very easy. I don't have to look at my phone always when I'm going out. I'll just mount the tab, switch on my phone's hotspot, and I'll start using these apps. So if you don't want to use any other entertainment apps, you can just simply open your Google Maps, so you can use them. And also remember that login with the same Gmail app that you are using on your phone, so that the search history, everything same, and it will automatically sync. And the navigation also will help you to find those places which you have in the history, and your favorite places, and your work, and your home location. So one of the reason I mounted this tablet here, because when you are in a long drive and driving car for long hours, since you have the air vent here, like AC vents here, it will also cool down your tablet. Of course, if you want to adjust the placement, you can just push it up, and or you can adjust the air vents so that you will also don't lose a lot of cooling because of the tablet, right? So but wherever you want to place the tablet, you can place it, because this is very reusable, and even the suction power of this tablet mount is too good. But please be careful while you are driving. So this is probably map is for to whoever is driving, but the other entertainment, you can enjoy the apps and videos while you are not driving. But while you are driving, don't focus on the video, you may lose the concentration on the road, and that may lead to serious impacts, right? So my recommendation is that, yeah, of course you can use it. So the major benefit out of this tablet mounting is you can take it out, you can update offline at your home when you're connecting your Wi-Fi, and you can download videos and you can keep it, and you can control these windows, what size exactly you wanted to see each app, right? But on top of everything, so security is very important, and your safety is important. So please don't watch videos during your drive. So this is just understand that this half part, or whatever the entertainment app that you are using, that is for the whoever is not driving, and the map is for you. And if you think you can have one more phone holder and you wanted to navigate and you wanted to enjoy the full screen, you can do that, right? But the most important part is that do not watch videos, and do not take your concentration out of road. So please be careful and be safe, please. So guys, I hope this is a very informative video for you. So don't spend a lot of time on searching and deep diving. Just simply get the apps to car mount and a good tablet and enjoy the great experience.